Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are just doing a little keyring chain. These are good for craft fairs and, you know, giving to your friends and family. I thought, you know what, they're a simple project, they're an easy one to do, and they're quite fun to do. You could quite easily knock up a few of these in an hour or so. So we're just, at the minute, I'm just getting this to a round with the Easy Wood finisher. Now just doing one final pass with the Easy Wood finisher as well. There we go. Now I start the sanding at this at 120 and I do work up to 240. I won't show all of it, I'll just show the first grit, and yeah, and then we'll move on to some Yorkshire Grit. So now we're sanded up, I'm just going to apply some Chestnut's sanding sealer, some cellulose sanding sealer. This is the liquid one. I'm just applying that now. And this one, to be fair, this wood is very dry, and to be honest, I don't know what the wood is. It was given to me by some friends that do arts and craft. So yeah, it took up a lot of sanding sealer. And now onto the Yorkshire Grit. Just applying that with the lathe switched off, just turning it around by hand. The lathe speed at the moment is as low as I can go on this belt speed, it's around 500. So there we go, just now working that in, no pressure, just letting the grit do the work. Not letting it overheat on the towel by putting extra pressure. Now just sped the lathe up around 1200 and just buffing it off. And as you can see there, it's all come off. So we're ready for the next step. Today I'll be using Hampshire sheen microchritoine. Again, putting the lathe on stationary, putting the microchritoine on stationary. Just working it in there. Make sure I've got a nice even coat. And now just gently buffing it in. Just remember, you don't want to overheat this, you're not burnishing it, you are getting it up to a nice high gloss polish. And the last little bit now. I did actually put 2 coats of this on, just because I like it, no other rhyme or reason, just because I like to put 2 coats on. And there you go. A nice little keychain. Simple, basic, easy to do, and a bit of fun. Thanks for watching, guys.